Hey YouTube, welcome back to our page. How you doing?
Thank you for coming to another video. Today we want to show you everything we got from our baby shower. We are so excited to share this with you and just so thankful for everything that our baby got. First, I want to start off with a bunch of sentimental stuff. So I'm a Zeta, so obviously my baby's going to be a future Zeta, and number will be 0. Her profile is Callie. Thank you to Taylor for giving us these cute onesies. I love them so much. And then my mother, she got us a blanket.
She's a beast when it comes to knitting.
Yeah, she made this. She sewed this. It says her name on it. Milena is magnificent, intellectual, luxurious, empowering, noble, and adorable. Thank you, Mommy. And she also got us, she knitted us pillow and blanket. Oh,
Nice and heavy.
yeah, the blanket's heavy and
Super
it's
soft.
so soft and it smells so good. It smells so good. Though my mom did this for us and we're so thankful for it.
Yeah, we definitely want to thank her for putting the whole baby shower together and making it a surprise.
Next, we want to go into all of her clothes. She got a lot of clothes.
She got more clothes than me.
Like a whole closet full of clothes. I don't think we'll have to buy her any clothes.
A lot of pink, but we want to make sure we diversify and give her some style.
Look at
Switch it
all
up.
these clothes.
Alright, I'm gonna go through and let y'all
We're
see.
just going to show you guys because they're just so stinking cute.
Got it from my daddy, obviously. You know what I'm
Okay, forget that. Grandma got us this garment bag. It's super nice.
saying? Yeah, Cheeto outfit. Mommy wore a Cheeto outfit last night.
Oh yeah, I wore a cheetah outfit, girl. This one has a little furry vest.
We
And
want to thank everybody for all these amazing outfits.
yes, these outfits are so amazing. So, I don't know, we're just so thankful.
Yes, I mean everything on our list that we put on the registry. And they keep explaining the registry to them. Wow.
Oh yes.
Which one you used?
So we use the baby list as a registry. This is not sponsored by them or anything, but I thought that it would be really convenient for people to see the baby list because it'll show you the same product in like 3 different stores and you can see which one is in your price range to buy.
Yeah.
Because some is like $20 difference if you buy one at Target instead of Walmart or something like that. So I like the baby list for that, but it kind of takes away the traditional aspect of it because you don't use the gun, but it's still really convenient for us because we weren't going to stores or anything like that.
Yeah.
But that's all of her clothes. Got some more over there.
My daddy's girl and my mama's world. That's hard.
So it says.
Oh, these so cute. So why this one so long though?
Oh, these are sleep sacks. Somebody comment to Kwame so he understands what a sleep sack is. You
No idea.
tie the bottom. You put the baby in it.
About to say, she gonna be
It's
this
like a
long?
bag.
She gonna come out this long?
No.
They're hard though. They're hard.
So we also got some, that's like a bring her home outfit, but you know she's gonna be born here, so
In the crib.
it's a cute outfit still.
Definitely hard. And sorry if we don't know all the names of the people who bought exactly what gift, but like I said, we're very thankful. And you guys helped us out a lot. So thank you.
We got some tutus. One of these are from Nevin. I'm not sure if both of them are from Nevin, but
I'm not sure either.
this one, tutus and like little head thingies. Dom got us some hangers
This is hard.
and these soft blankets. We also got some glow in the dark pacifiers.
Out of everything, we probably got, that's the only pacifiers we got. We got one set of cups. Probably need some more cups and pacifiers.
Oh yeah, the bottles, Naya, she bought them for us and they're gonna come in. But we got a lot of like booties and hats and mittens.
My baby got more socks than me too. I ain't got no clothes.
She got more shoes than us. Like she got a lot of stuff.
Blast.
Got like a teething ring. Okay.
What's up?
You wanna talk about this one?
Oh yeah, my aunt. So our aunt got us this bag. It's awesome because it has a changing table in here. And also she provided us with the birthing pool, which hasn't came yet, but we want to give a special thanks out to her because she made
We
it
got
possible.
the pool, guys.
Yeah, literally got everything we need. Maybe another bassinet, but the pool was definitely something that we wanted, and she came through and provided with that. So thank you.
Yes, so
Thank you, Novelle.
you.
And thank you, Keena, as well.
We also got this
Oh, what's that?
4-in-1.
You know what it is?
Listen, Jayla got this for us. It's like a diaper bag, a changing table, a bassinet,
Oh, I
and...
got the instructions for that. You can-
Oh, okay.
Don't trip up on it,
It don't say what it is, but it's 4 things in one little bag. And it's really cool.
Oh, this
and we're
hard.
super thankful for it.
There's a whole changing table.
Yeah, I just did that.
Oh, that's hard. Okay.
We got a Snuggle Me pillow for her when she's napping on the couch downstairs. Brittany got us a drying rack for the bottles.
Thank you, Brittany.
As you guys know, we are doing cloth diapers.
You can see what's
So we
about.
got a whole lot of cloth diapers. So we got a lot of cute ones. Like these are so cute. And they're all pocket diapers. Except for some of them are all-in-one diapers. So I guess we can figure out which ones we like the best.
It's all in one, if you can explain it to me.
All-in-one just means like, let me open this for you. So you see how this pad it goes inside the pocket, but the all-in-one diapers is already attached to it, so you just wash the whole thing. You don't detach it. That's all. But we are excited.
And then these bad boys for sport.
Oh yeah, we got wet bags too, so that when we have a soiled diaper and we're out and about, we just put them in here and then we put it in our diaper bag so it doesn't mess up all the other stuff in the diaper bag. Really, really nice
Really nice.
and convenient, and we got some extra inserts for the pocket.
Yes.
Brittany got us a boppy as well. I'm using this right now for my back because I have some back pains, but it's already coming in handy, so I know it's going to be handy when Milena gets here.
Got some more cloth diaper.
Oh yeah, these are like actual cloth diapers. I opened it up and it's like a cloth, like the ones that you gotta use like the
Bobby pin.
needles with.
A bobby pin?
Not bobby pins,
Safety
but
pin?
safety pins. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was
That's what these are.
Well, they're gonna be used.
We're gonna use them as birth cloths because I don't know how to fold up a diaper. It has instructions on the back, but
We're grateful and we're gonna use these things.
yeah, we're gonna use them. Yes, we are cloth diapering, but a lot of people graced us with disposable diapers. So we have a ton of diapers and wipes.
I know my brother Jaquil. We got Kenny who gave us 2 packs of wipes. Mika gave us some wipes. A lot of other people. Sorry if I'm missing your names, but we definitely appreciate all of it. A lot of wipes. Wipes on wipes on wipes. Alright, you balling. You balling right now.
She got so many.
And I know that. Can you explain to him? You said in the beginning we might have to use diapers in the beginning.
Oh yeah, we're gonna use diapers in the beginning because she's a newborn and that it depends on how big she is, but also the poop that comes out, I heard it's like tarish and really sticky, so we don't want that to stain our diapers, so we're gonna use disposable diapers in the beginning. But also, just because we have disposable diapers, you want to use those. But we really do want to do cloth diapering because that's going to help us in the long run and help the environment too.
She go to the bathroom like 12, 13 times. Like, no one told me that until recently. That's a lot of times in one day.
Yeah, we're going to be changing a lot of diapers, but we're going to learn this journey and take you guys along as we learn. We also got some headbands.
I'm looking forward to this. I just want to be decked out with all types of headbands, do-rags.
Turbans.
Not do-rag, but
And bonnets. She got a lot of those too. Her hair going to be on fleek.
make sure you protect your edges. All edges matter.
Okay. We got this thing, also from Aunt Nay. She got us like,
Oh, yes, all right.
it makes noise. Okay. And it moves too.
We got books because we love to read. I don't know if you can see our bookshelf. So we're gonna, and I gotta read. I'm gonna read her my assignments and stuff like that.
We already read to her now, but we have so many books, so she also has her own little library now. A lot of black books.
Some books. We got some books in the locker.
James.
Got some books in the daycare she can look at too.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm gonna read her my schoolwork. She's gonna be doing grad level schoolwork out the gate. These booties, oh, that's hard.
Yeah, these are little Rattle Socks.
Yeah.
I think Taylor got these for us.
Guys, this cool device.
Oh yeah, this is to put in the cart so she's not sitting on the cart. Dom got us for this. And we got a baby monitor. I wanted from Aunt I just wanted one that plugged into the wall, so not like the super expensive ones because I don't like the Wi-Fi ones, but this one, pretty great. And a safety kit.
Yeah, we're not sure who got us this, but Daddy has been designated to get the bookies, so I'm gonna use this. And then we got for that drip.
Oh yeah, some nursing pads. So for leaking, I already told my midwife that I'm already experiencing leaks, so I'm gonna be using these now. I need them.
And my baby's spoiled, but you can explain that.
A wipe warmer. Dom?
Dom
is this wipe warmer. We didn't even know that we needed one, but we're excited and happy that we have one.
I didn't even know it was a thing.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool though.
All these wipes we have, and then a little toy.
Can you, my boy Travis and his lovely lady Laura got us these glow up shoes, and sure enough, I'm gonna be wearing glow shoes too because I don't want my daughter to be stunting my hair like that. So,
but now I have to get some glow up shoes too, because they just can't be matching. It got to be all three of us. So we gotta go to the store and get some Skechers or something.
Yeah, we're gonna glow up together. And they also got us this bed.
This mattress for the crib. My crib is upstairs. That was also a gift. It turned into a toddler bed, so to get that for it, we pretty much have everything we need for her to sleep.
Yeah, and that's gonna be another project coming soon. We're gonna probably give the Barnery crib a new color and put it together. So you guys can join us later, but yeah.
Yeah, and we got some bath stuff like washcloths, towels, things like that. Naya got us a tub that's on its way. It's going to be delivered to us. And then a little teething mitten.
Oh, and my boy Isaiah. Shout out to Isaiah. Thank you very much. We have a high chair.
Yeah, it's like a 7-in-1 high chair.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, he got that for us too. That's coming in the mail.
Yeah, a lot of the gifts we got, and as we go through them, you'll see they're reusable.
Yeah, we can use them for multiple babies. Yeah. Hopefully.
I don't know.
Down the line. So these are things that are gonna sustain us. So that's why we specifically chose a lot of these things.
What's next?
Oh yeah, the big gifts.
Big gifts. She's been looking at this gift for months now.
A long time. I don't know. Oh, they probably can't see. So yeah, we got the Duna. Miss Kath and Joe got us the Duna car seat stroller. I've been so excited about this car seat stroller because you pull this, kick this, kick something. There you go.
Okay.
And then you gotta put these back.
So it turns into like
it's a car seat.
And then you put this joint and get it popping.
Put this back over here. No, this way.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you can roll her out.
Push this button. Yeah. Push her out of here.
Yeah.
It has an infant insert, so when she gets bigger, we can take that out. And this goes up to like 35 or 40 pounds, something like that.
About a year and a half.
Yeah, so we're excited about this car seat. It's going to make life so much easier because we both have a car and we don't know which car she's going to be driving in. That car seat, it doesn't need a base, so it's really great.
And next is a washing machine.
Yeah, next we got a portable washing machine. So we bought this property. It does not have a washer or dryer. So we got this.
I've never even heard anything like this before. So I met this one.
Yeah. It's a, I don't know. My mom got it for us. It's a, like, apartment one. So we really just need it for the diapers because we need something to wash. And right now, we've been going back and forth to, like, my parents' house and stuff, but we have to wash clothes, like, every 2 days. And that's just not, it's not going to work.
Well, our clothes not even going to fit in that thing. It's going to be solely for her.
Yeah.
Look how spoiled she is already.
Anyway.
Like our mama.
My cousin Poe got us this. It's a Playpen Bassinet changing table.
Which is hard.
I didn't even know. Let me tell y'all, I did not know what a playpen was. I don't know why. It just took me a really long time to figure that out. But I was like, what does this bottom part do? But it's a bassinet, so we can put that in the living room too so she can sleep downstairs. And we'll just feel a whole lot better about that. Okay, so we also got a NutriBullet, so we can make her baby food, and it comes with like the storage ones. Shout out to Ane for this too.
Thank you.
This is very helpful, and we're happy about that.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat some of this baby food too.
He's not. Somebody in the comments tell Kwame he cannot eat Malena's food. It is the baby's food. It's baby food.
Only reason I bring it up is because her mom had a game at the baby shower where you had to put a diaper on the baby, blindfolded, spin around, and then you had to feed your partner. And I got to taste the apple, the baby food. It was delicious. So I'm not saying I'm gonna eat it. I'm just saying like.
That's exactly what he's saying. He's saying he's gonna eat the food. Anyway, so Kwame, because he's just so sweet, he got me a push present, which is a MacBook Air.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm really happy about this.
Yeah.
So I get to play with it all day today.
Yep. And give some better quality. Enhance our quality in our videos and just overall bring a better product.
Yeah. So this was a little gift from Kwame. Not little. It's
and we
amazing.
got the light too.
Oh yeah, we got a ring light too.
Yeah. So that was the gift, the push person gift. You deserve the world, baby. You are gifting us a child. That's dope.
Here's a belly update. You guys want one?
Yeah.
Here she is. She's getting a little bigger.
She's big. She be kicking all the time.
Yeah, she's very active right now. And that's all I could ask is for her to just be active and keep growing and get stronger. Now she can hear us. She definitely knows his voice.
Yeah.
She knows my voice too, obviously, but she definitely knows his voice. She knows his touch. Like, if he puts his hand on my belly, she's gonna kick. Like this.
Right away.
So I love their bond that they have already.
Oh, we have another gift that my boy Justin got us. And Dammers, his girl. They got us the thing where you can listen to the baby. I play music for the baby.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
like the little belly things.
Yeah, the belly bulbs. Oh
Wow.
yeah, my baby got hats. I gotta get my hat game up.
Yeah.
She got a lot of hats.
She has a ton of hats.
What is this?
Oh, another outfit.
Oh, this is hard. My
Yeah.
hat game crazy.
So the only things that we'll probably have to get are like bottles.
Bottles, pacifiers, and another bedside bassinet.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, another one. And we'll probably go get clothes shopping for it, but
Clothes. He wants to buy her clothes, but
Yeah.
y'all saw all the clothes she has.
we got everything on our list. I'm just saying, like,
Yeah.
if we go back out, we're gonna see something.
Yeah. When we do decide to finally go shopping for her,
Mhm.
we'll show you guys what we pick up. But for the most part, all of her necessities, our family and friends graciously took care of us, and we're so thankful
Very thankful.
for my mom putting the baby shower together, for all of our friends traveling as far as they did to come see us.
Mhm.
And
It was a surprise too, so thank you again, Miss Donna, and everybody that showed up.
yes.
Very thankful.
So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below.
Yeah, if you have any questions about any other items, please
We'll let you know.
ask her because she put the whole registry together. I probably picked one thing. Other than that, baby girl got the whole thing chopped up, screwed up. So
Yes.
yeah.
So, thank you, and we'll see you in our next video.
Thank you. Peace out.